Nikki, Neff Ambassador, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your first cake in your Neff oven. We're going to make a classic Victoria sponge. We start by preheating the oven to Circotherm 160. Then we mix together butter, sugar, flour, baking powder and eggs in a stand mixer. Now divide the mixture between two greased and lined 20cm baking tins and smooth out the top with a spatula. Place in the oven on levels 1 and 3 for 25 to 30 minutes. The hot air technology of Circotherm is perfect for cooking cakes evenly with a nice golden finish. You know the cakes are cooked when the tops are golden and you can insert a metal skewer and it comes out clean. Place the cakes on a cooling rack to cool. Whilst they're cooling, we're going to make the buttercream. Mix together the butter, icing sugar and vanilla extract until nice and creamy, and then we're going to spread this onto the bottom layer of the cake. Top with jam and then place the second layer of the cake on top. Sprinkle with a little caster sugar and then serve.